Optic Fuel Clean offers a wide range of specialty services to better care for, maintain, clean, and prevent any problems with your bulk fuel storage tanks and your fuel supply. We provide tank cleaning and fuel polishing services for above ground and below ground fuel storage tanks, generator belly and auxiliary tanks, and fire pump fuel storage tanks. Our tank cleaning and fuel polishing unit has a suction hose and an elaborate filtration system that can remove any contaminants that may be collecting in your fuel storage tank. The typical contaminants that collect and settle at the bottom of fuel storage tanks are water, sediment, sludge, and algae. Testing and visual inspection allows us and you, the customer, to determine the current status of the tank contents and possible contaminants that are in your bulk fuel storage tanks. If there is a problem with the integrity of your fuel, our tank cleaning and fuel polishing services are second to none.